We're just about to start a new season.
There's this little nagging thing at the back of my head. What if I run out of power? I'm on the boots. I'm on the boots.
Hi, I'm Max and welcome to the adventures of Sea Pigeon. We're just about to start a new season. We've been working really hard to get everything ready and we're just about ready. This is the revamp of the old dinghy. It came with two covers, one black and one white, and we saved the white one. I'm not quite sure what for, but we're using it this year. We're using it. Yeah. See, all the stitching on our Sea Pigeon sign has rotted away, so I have to replace it. Oh, I hate this job. It's so difficult. Here we go. So I'm going over it, and yeah, I've almost finished one banner. I put them in the washing machine. They've come up nice, actually. The Mercury engine is having the summer off, actually. Instead, we have got ourselves an electric engine.
Silence is lovely. You can just hear the ripple from it, which is very beautiful.
Marks out of 10?
There's this little nagging thing at the back of my head. What if I run out of power? Normally I'd have a can of petrol with me and I'd go for miles, so I think it's a compromise, but I like the weight and I love the silence of it. And
You've got oars. What's your problem?
That's oars, yeah. And I think at that speed, apparently I could have done 6 miles, which is a lot, you know, but there's still this thing, petrol would have been unlimited pretty much, so. But the silence of it is lovely.
Just have to carry a spare battery.
Oh, that's not going to happen.
What are you doing, Neil?
Finally getting the boat out of the turf locks, and we're going sailing tomorrow. But all the preparation, it's like 2 days work just getting the tender ready.
You did make a nice job of the tender though.
Oh, you can have a tender if you've got a boat. I'll come back.
It's not just about putting stuff onto the boat, but it's taking stuff off the boat that we no longer need.
Have suitcase, we'll travel. Finally, first night on the boat. It seems to have been a long winter. Lots of time, lots of money, lots of effort, lots of upgrades, lots of repairs, but hopefully a 2-day repay. We shall see.
On.
I'm on the boots. I'm on the boots. I'm on the boots. I love you, boat. I know, only been a canal, but it's been a long, long time. And I've also had a gin and tonic and a beer. I'm on the boots. I'm on the boots. I'm on the boots.
Good. It's good to be happy.
Oh. 7 o'clock. I'm taking the dog for a walk. Finally untying the lines after 5 months. Hey Ian, I think Jackson needs a bit of a wash. Wild Cherry, where are you off to today?
Just up to the top, just by Cockwood.
We're just going to go out to the Faroe Islands, quick skip, Trondheim probably, and back to lunch.
Go faster than that.
Yeah, and we're off to Dartmouth today.
My name's Lucy, and I'm going down to my mooring halfway between the sailing club and Sky Cross.
Everybody's in safe and sound.
You might need to let it come forward a little bit, Stu.
So what do you think, Neil?
I think so far so good. Yeah, engine all started. It's nice.
Always a bonus. So there we are, out of the lock for season 5.
Hero, what do you reckon? What do you reckon? Hero, speak. Speak. Good boy. We love our dogs. Sun is out, but it's cold wind. Hopefully once we're out at sea we can get the sails up, put it on autopilot, get the kennel on, do some nice. My autopilot is doing this like a set of traffic lights. I'm hoping the winter damper's got into it and I can take it apart and get in there with switch cleaner. There's a little ribbon cable in there which can sometimes do it. Will it switch off again? Yep. Stage 1 is taking the cover off. Hard to film, and then off with that back. My first thought is to try cleaning these connections here with electrical contact cleaner. So no, that's giving me the same issue. Keeps rebooting. Nasty little ribbon cable there. Don't like doing those. Once I've removed the little rubber seal around the outside, this then pulls off. Again, could be dirty connections here. Remove these two screws here. Now lifting the circuit board out. Again, there's push fittings here, which terrible chance of corrosion. So my thoughts are, you can see markings on here, so I'm going to try cleaning those connectors as well. So I've sprayed these with contact cleaner. This little ribbon here is only for the display screen, and since the display screen is working, I'm going to leave that alone. Those little ribbons can be a monkey to take off. While it's apart, going to give all these switches a spray cleaner clean. Well, I've plugged that in now. I've gone from intermittent to not working at all. But you know, you can't break a broken thing. On closer inspection, it ended up being these three little capacitors which I've shown ringed in red here. I'm currently trying to solder some new ones of those on, but I'm having trouble tracking those down at the moment. Well, after all of taking that apart, reassembling it, checking fuses, crawling down below and checking that there is actually power to the autopilot, still no good, so trying to replace this display which starts at £500 to do, so we'll be looking around for a second-hand one. So I managed to get a second-hand one spare off eBay, fitted that, and it worked instantly, much better. Ended up buying this P70R control head, which in actual fact is for faster boats, but on using it I find this much better because the rotational dial makes much more sense and ease of use for sailing. Hero has just met some other boat owners and he has fallen in love. What's your dog's name?
Mossy.
Mossy. It's the first love of his life and we're having to monitor him very closely. Yeah. The love train is in town.
What do you want me to do?
Finally leaving the pontoon to go down river and fill up with diesel and flush out the water tanks.
So why not join us this year as we explore the beautiful coastline of South Devon and the rugged splendour of the Cornish coast. We'll also be going to the Isles of Scilly and then back again to the Channel Islands. We hope to see you. Maybe you can pick up a few tips, as the talented Neil can fix everything. We'll be getting together with friends and family and hopefully having a bit of fun along the way. So sit back and watch us sail. In the next episode, we throw a party on the pontoon. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you know how, and leave a comment, that always helps. So fair winds, and we'll see you on the water.
This was the first sail of our season, and you always have what's called a shakedown cruise. On this particular shakedown cruise I found that my autopilot wasn't working, my radar wasn't working, my secondary speed log wasn't working, my diesel heater wasn't working, and also my active AIS was not transmitting. But apart from that, everything went fine. We're now up to nearly 950 subscribers, so please, 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 please subscribe. Let's get us that 1,000 number. Thank you.